Welcome to Short Facts Daily. Today, we're diving into the top 5 underrated things about having rats as pets. First, rats are incredibly intelligent and social creatures. They can learn complex tasks and be trained to do tricks with positive reinforcement. They thrive in pairs or small groups, enjoying the company of both humans and fellow rats. Second, rats are clean animals. They spend a lot of time grooming themselves and each other and are known for their cleanliness. They also like to keep their living spaces tidy and organized. Third, rats are affectionate and form strong bonds with their owners. They are loyal, enjoy interacting with people, and can be wonderful companions for all ages. Fourth, rats are low-maintenance pets. Compared to many other animals, rats don't require much space, and their cages are easy to clean and maintain. This makes them an easy choice for busy people. Lastly, rats have a relatively long lifespan. With proper care, they can live for 3 to 4 years, longer than many people realize. This makes them a good choice for those looking for a longer-term pet. Overall, rats might be underrated as pets, but they have a lot to offer to those willing to give them a chance. If you're considering adding a rat to your family, we hope this video has given you something to think about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more great content.